Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a working Microsoft account and a payment method. Once done, sign into account. Microsoft. Com to start registration. Make sure to choose individual versus organization early because verification differs. Next, select the developer program or partner center link and pick the appropriate plan. This attaches billing immediately. As you move forward, enter your contact details exactly as they appear on official documents. To avoid delays during, you now complete verification and enter detailed information. First, verify your phone and email with the one-time codes Microsoft sends. Once verified, proceed to identity checks, which may request a photo ID or business documents. Make sure to fill tax details and legal name fields exactly. Mismatches trigger rejection. For organization accounts, upload articles of incorporation or a recent utility bill as proof. After upload, allow time for automated and manual review steps to complete. You finish by accepting terms, confirming payment, and submitting your registration. Once submitted, monitor the Partner Center or Developer Dashboard for approval status and any required follow-ups. You'll see explicit tasks if issues exist. When approved, configure account settings, set up app publishing details, and enable two-factor authentication for security. If something goes wrong, confirm that names, addresses, and documents match exactly. If rejections persist, resubmit corrected documents and contact Microsoft support with your transaction ID for expedited help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.